Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube music directly using built-in YouTube feature. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open a web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome browser, and after then you have to type on your address bar studio.youtube.com, and from the left hand menu scroll down and click on audio library. And here you will find a huge list of music tracks and sound effects that you can listen and download. And these all of the musics are copyright free, so that you can use them for your video as background music. When you find the one you want, click on the download icon on the right side. And then the file is going to be downloaded on your PC or laptop. And that's it. You have now downloaded music directly from YouTube using their own feature, and it is under terms and conditions of YouTube. On the other hand, if you want to download music officially from YouTube channel of others, it will not follow the standard guidelines of YouTube. So, according to the guideline policy, you can download music with this tutorial. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.